Every day, millions of people use cloud-based applications and services to get work done with greater flexibility. But at the same time, IT teams are losing control and visibility of their infrastructure, leading to blind spots between the user's devices, networks, and applications. And when things go wrong, it can impact productivity, customer satisfaction, employee morale, and eventually your bottom line. I'm Dhaval Sharma, Vice President and General Manager at Zscaler, and I'm excited to invite you to Zenith Live 2023, the premium Zero Trust conference to help organizations such as yours on their digital transformation journey. At Zenith Live, you will learn how to leverage the latest innovations to provide visibility into end-to-end performance and availability insights. Hear proven strategies, best practices, and use cases directly from your peers and industry experts to ensure that your users are having great digital experiences. Get hands-on with the latest techniques and tools to optimize performance and rapidly fix offending applications, networks, and end-user device issues to realize greater economic value. And you will have opportunities to develop your professional skills with expert-led hands-on training and same-day certifications. If you're ready to experience what you can do to ensure your users and partners have great digital experiences, register for Zenith Live 2023 today.